Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play the E minor pentatonic scale up the neck of the guitar. The guitar is tuned standard, of course, E, A, D, G, B, E. And normally we would play the pentatonic scale this way. All right now, what notes are in the E minor pentatonic scale? Those notes are E, G, A, B, D. And then we go back to our minor root, which is E. Now most everybody knows those notes. They just don't know it because they're the same notes that are in the tuning. E, A, D, G, B. Those are the E minor pentatonic scale notes, the open tuning of the guitar. E, A, D, G, B, E is the same as E, G, A, B, D. The notes just come in a different order. The E minor pentatonic scale is a 5-note scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back to E. Now if we wanted to play G major pentatonic, we would start with the G note and play G, A, B, D, E, and then G. Which means that E minor pentatonic and G major pentatonic are one and the same. They're just played from different points. The E minor is played from E, and the G major is played from the G note. Now, if we want those same notes up the neck of the guitar, we have to go to open E string, open, go to G, 3rd fret on the low E string, go to the A note, 5th fret, slide up to B, that's at the 7th fret on the E string. Then we're going to move to the A string, 5th fret, the A string, 7th fret, the D string, 5th fret, the D string, 7th fret, slide up to the B note, and that's at fret 9, the G string, 7th fret, the G string, 9th fret. Then we're going to take the middle finger and go to the B string, fret 8. Then to the 10th fret, B string. Slide to the B note. And that's on the B string, 12th fret. High E, 10th fret, which is a D note, and then end up at the 12th fret, which is a high E note. So we've got this. And we want to practice this very slowly until we become proficient at it. Now in this example, I used all down picking when I picked those notes. But if you want to use alternate picking, that's just fine. Alright, let's turn on one of my band-in-a-box music tracks and play along with it and see how we can use this scale when we're improvising. Now that we know how to play the E minor pentatonic scale up the neck of the guitar, we can make up some interesting solos for our songs. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.